Hello, welcome to Angela's Hangout. Today I'm participating in the Hocus Pocus challenge. This is part 1 of 3 for Crafty Kitty, Crafty Kitty. So I had already went outside and painted these pumpkins that I just got from the Dollar Tree. This is actually 2 DIYs that I'm doing right now, but I just wanted to show you real quick. This is all I'm going to do is just spray paint these little pumpkins. So now comes the decorating part. I'm just going to try and open up my paint and then take a little Q-tip and put little polka dots on there, and then I'm going to go ahead and get them all striped up too. And here they are drying. Look how cute they are. I put some glitter on some stripes on another, and polka dots. So there they are, so cute. Now here I'm just taking my scissors to cut the little sticks off the end of them. I'm going to keep the tops on there because it makes it look more like a pumpkin stem. Okay, for my second DIY, this is the materials that I'll be using. It's just some, what's it called, tulle. You'll be using my hot glue gun, some scissors. I picked up a calderon. Actually, I picked that up last year from Dollar Tree. Those little sakis and a little boo hat. And I think that's all I need for this one. Oh, and some cotton balls. I need the cotton balls to stuff up the little legs. Okay, so I'm just going to take the little sakis off the ring. I don't really know what that's supposed to be intended for, but I don't know. Anyway, it's so cute, and I just needed to stuff it full of cotton balls just until I get it formed the way I want it to be in the calderon. Okay, back to project number 1 real quick. Off camera, I just went ahead and put some little dots on the little pail, and I'm just going to put my little pumpkins in the tree. Then I'm just going to take this little mesh ribbon. I've had that, I think I got that from Dollar Tree last year. And I'm just going to tie that around the end just to kind of break it up just a little bit more. Now back to the second project. Just going to take the calderon, and I took this tool, and I already opened up the package and just kind of played with it, fluffed it up a little bit, and I'm just going to sit that right in there. Now I'm just going to take the little legs and then Just kind of want them dangling. I did hot glue the end of it together so the stuffing wouldn't come out. And I'm just going to stick the little legs in the pail and just kind of have it dangle the way that I want it to. Okay, now that I have everything all set, I'm just going to go ahead and put the little, oh, I lost my little buckle, and just put that right in there. Just have it sit right inside of there. Super simple and easy. Both projects are so super simple and easy. I like easy. And here they both are. This is the old DIY pumpkin that I did this one last year at Halloween time, and it was also Dollar Tree stuff. But here's, well, a couple little ideas to give you for Halloween. I think they both turned out really, really cute. It's like a little Hocus Pocus patch over there. And I just wanted to say thank you so much to Crafty Kitty for hosting this collaboration. I really appreciate it. And I can't wait to watch the playlist and see what everybody else has come up with. Make sure you take a look at it as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would certainly appreciate that. And also the like and share. Thank you.